Hey Matt, are you eating a hamburger?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you put some ketchup in it? You gonna take a bite? Are you chewing it, buddy? Can you put more ketchup in it?
Yeah.
What about the hot dog? You gonna have some hot dog too?
Yeah.
Can you put some ketchup on the hot dog? That's the hot dog.
No.
What else are you gonna put in there? Are you gonna put veggies on there?